हेलो दोस्तों, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका आप ही के चैनल में। आज का जो ये पेपर हुआ था सीआरई नर्सिंग ऑफिसर का, जो भी इस कोर्स से संबंधित थे, तो उस पेपर का जो एक माइंड मैप होता है, उसी तरह से ये पेपर जो है कैसे कैसे क्वेश्चंस आए थे उससे संबंधित है। और सबसे पहले आपको जो है आज महाशिवरात्रि की ढेर ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। चलिए देखते हैं कि किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आए थे। What postpartum advice should a nurse give to an HIV positive mother regarding breastfeeding? सेकेंड क्वेश्चन था कुछ इस तरह का। A pregnant patient with HIV has a viral load greater than 400 copies ml. What delivery method should the nurse anticipate? What is an essential postpartum care component for a newborn whose mother is HIV positive? फोर्थ क्वेश्चन था a nurse is caring for a pregnant patient with HIV. What is an important aspect to intrapartum care to reduce the risk of perinatal transmission? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कुछ इस तरह से था व्हाट इज अ की कंसिडरेशन फॉर अ प्रेग्नेंट पेशेंट विद HIV रिगार्डिंग ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग। अगला वाला क्वेश्चन था व्हाट पोस्टमार्टम इंटरवेंशन इज क्रूशियल फॉर अ न्यूबॉर्न वॉज मदर इज HIV पॉजिटिव। तो HIV पॉजिटिव से रिलेटेड बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस, लगभग उसी से रिलेटेड था पेपर। एक ही टॉपिक को बार बार पूछा गया था। अ प्रेग्नेंट पेशेंट विथ HIV इज अंडरगोइंग लेबर, व्हाट प्रिकॉशन शुड द नर्स prioritize the minimize the risk of HIV transmission to the newborn। कुछ आगे का क्वेश्चन था व्हाट इज द रिकमेंडेड डिलीवरी मेथड फॉर एन HIV पॉजिटिव प्रेग्नेंट पेशेंट विद अ हाई वायरल लोड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन था व्हाट इज एन एसेंशियल एक्सपेक्ट ऑफ इंट्रापार्टम केयर फॉर एन HIV पॉजिटिव प्रेग्नेंट पेशेंट टू मिनिमाइज द रिस्क ऑफ HIV ट्रांसमिशन टू द बेबी। आगे का क्वेश्चन था इन अ प्रेग्नेंट पेशेंट विद HIV what is the primary goal to continuing heart therapy during pregnancy? What breastfeeding recommendation is typically given to an HIV positive mother postpartum? What is an essential part of intrapartum care for a pregnant patient with HIV? तो एक ही तरह के क्वेश्चंस थे, एक ही पोर्शन में से क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे। For an HIV positive pregnant patient, what is the primary purpose of continuing heart therapy during pregnancy? A pregnant patient with HIV has a viral load of 500 copies ml. What is the recommendation method of delivery to minimize the risk of HIV transmission to the newborn? A nurse is counseling a pregnant patient with HIV about labor and delivery. What practice should be emphasized to reduce the risk of HIV transmission to the baby? A nurse is providing care to an HIV positive pregnant patient. What is the primary purpose of administering zidovudine during labor? What is the main purpose of administering intervention zidovudine to an HIV positive pregnant patient during labor? ये एक ही तरह के क्वेश्चंस को घुमा घुमा के भी पूछा गया था। In providing intrapartum care for an HIV positive patient, what is a crucial nursing intervention? A nurse is providing postpartum care to an HIV positive mother. What should be included to the discharge teaching regarding infant care? During parental care, during prenatal care, a patient with HIV is advised to continue heart therapy. What is the main reason for this recommendation? A pregnant patient with HIV is undergoing labor. What intervention should the nurse prioritize to reduce the risk of HIV transmission to the baby? What is the essential component of intrapartum care for a pregnant patient with HIV to minimize HIV transmission risk? In caring for a newborn whose mother is HIV positive, why is zidovudine administered to the baby after birth? In managing a pregnant patient with HIV, what is the main goal to continuing heart therapy throughout the pregnancy? What is the primary goal of administering zidovudine to a newborn newborn born to an HIV positive mother. In pregnant patient with HIV, what is an important consideration when using heart therapy? What is the critical component of postpartum care for a newborn born to an HIV positive mother? What is the primary reason for advising against breastfeeding in an HIV positive mother? In a newborn born to an HIV positive mother, what is the rationale behind administering zidovudine syrup postpartum? For a pregnant patient with HIV, what is the main goal of administering HAART during pregnancy? Next question था, in educating an HIV positive pregnant patient about breastfeeding, what should the nurse advise? A nurse is caring for a pregnant patient with HIV. What is an essential aspect of intrapartum care to minimize HIV transmission to the newborn? During parental care for a patient with HIV, what key intervention should the nurse prioritize to prevent mother to child transmission? What postpartum care is crucial for a newborn whose mother is HIV positive? A nurse is preparing a birth plan for an HIV positive pregnant patient. What factor primarily influences the decision for a cesarean delivery? During labor, what is a key practice for an HIV positive pregnant patient to reduce the risk of mother to child transmission? What breastfeeding advice should be given to an HIV positive mother postpartum? What is the primary consideration for a mode of delivery in an HIV positive pregnant patient? In a pregnant patient with HIV, what is critical consideration for breastfeeding postpartum? What breastfeeding advice is typically given to an HIV positive mother after delivery? During parental care for an HIV positive patient, what is an essential aspect of fetal monitoring? What is the primary consideration for a delivery planning in an HIV positive pregnant patient with a high viral load? During labor for an HIV positive pregnant patient, what is the key nursing intervention to reduce the risk of HIV transmission to the newborn? For an HIV positive pregnant patient, why is the administration of interventions zidovudine recommended during labor? What breastfeeding advice is typically given to an HIV positive mother? What breastfeeding recommendation is given to HIV positive mother to minimize the risk to their infants? मतलब कि आप देख सकते हैं कि पूरा जो पेपर था वो एक ही टॉपिक पर ज़्यादा आधारित था। तो भाई जिस बंदे ने HIV से संबंधित जो है पूरी अगर उसकी नॉलेज थी तो उसके लिए तो पेपर काफ़ी अच्छा गया होगा, और जिसने इस टॉपिक को छोड़ दिया था उसका तो फिर क्या ही कहें। What is the primary reason for prescribing zidovudine to a newborn to an HIV positive mother? What is an important consideration in the intrapartum care of an HIV positive pregnant patient? Why is zidovudine administered to newborn born to HIV positive mother? During labor, what is the primary reason for administering intravascular zidovudine to an HIV positive pregnant patient? During prenatal consultations, what should a nurse emphasize to an HIV positive pregnant patient about HAART therapy? In caring for a newborn whose mother is HIV positive, why is zidovudine administered to the baby after birth? For an HIV positive mother, why is breastfeeding generally discouraged? During prenatal care for a HIV positive patient, why is continuation of HAART therapy crucial? Next question था, what is the critical consideration when planning the delivery for a baby for an HIV positive pregnant patient? What is the primary goal of heart therapy during pregnancy for an HIV positive patient? In educating an HIV positive pregnant patient, what should the nurse emphasize about breastfeeding? तो ये इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस थे जो लगभग एक ही विषय से संबंधित थे। तो अगर आपने ये पेपर दिया है तो आप भी जो है कमेंट करके और भी क्वेश्चंस बता सकते हो जो जो आपको याद है, ताकि कल या परसों जिसकी भी एग्ज़ाम हो या फिर आने वाली एग्ज़ाम में भी जो है वो हेल्पफुल हो सके। मैं उम्मीद करूँ कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। और भी जानकारी के लिए हमारे चैनल से जुड़े रहिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब।